If you want to change the look of your site using a different theme that fits the identity and needs of your business, you might want to change all the featured images of all your posts, pages, events, etc. too. Unfortunately, this is a tedious and time-consuming task. To help you with that, we want to show you how easy it is to remove all the featured images from your events. We'll use the Event Spreadsheet plugin, which simplifies the way you manage your events. With this plugin, you can quickly apply changes to thousands of events in an easy-to-use spreadsheet. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. When editing events in bulk, you may not always want to edit them all, so the Event Spreadsheet plugin allows you to filter your events to only edit the ones you want. To do this, we'll open the Search tool, which allows you to use any field as a search parameter such as keyword, author, categories, tags, etc. Just enter the parameter you'll use in the correct field, and run the search. Once the events are filtered, they'll be displayed in the spreadsheet. After selecting the events, we can bulk delete the featured images at once. For this, open the Bulk Edit tool. Then, we'll select to edit the rows from our current search. Enter the field featured image. Choose Clear Value as the edit type. And execute. As you can see, all featured images of the selected events have been deleted. Definitely, it's really easy to remove all event featured images at once using the Event Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find the link to download the plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.